Ever wondered what really makes or breaks a metal part? It's not just about melting iron and hoping for the best. Metallurgy, and especially heat treat consulting, is where science turns metal into magic. I work with manufacturers every day, helping them unlock the secrets hidden in every alloy. Let's talk about tailored metallurgy, because every application needs its own recipe. Alloy selection isn't just picking from a menu. It's about understanding what your part needs to do. Should it bend, flex, resist corrosion, or survive extreme heat? The right alloy is the foundation of everything. But here's the twist. How you heat treat that metal changes its properties entirely. That's where AMS 2750 comes in, a standard that keeps your heat treat processes under tight control. Think of it as the chef's thermometer for industry, making sure every batch hits the perfect temp and stays there. Calibration, uniformity surveys, and record keeping aren't just paperwork. They're your insurance policy for quality. Now let's get into the real artistry recipes. It's not enough to follow a generic chart. I work with manufacturers to fine-tune time, temperature, and atmosphere for each specific need. Want a blade that's hard but not brittle? A gear that resists wear but won't crack under pressure? That's all about dialing in your heat treat process, and that's where consulting pays off big time. Of course, sometimes things go wrong. Maybe a part cracks, warps, or just doesn't perform as expected. That's when I dive into failure analysis, breaking down microstructures, scanning for clues, and figuring out exactly what went sideways. It's a bit like detective work, except the suspects are atoms and cooling rates. The goal is always the same. Tune the microstructure so you get repeatable properties every single time. No surprises, no costly recalls, just consistent, reliable performance. So if you're a manufacturer chasing perfection, don't settle for trial and error. Bring in a heat treat consultant who lives and breathes metallurgy. From alloy selection to microstructure tuning, I'm here to help you master the art and science of metal. Because in this business, the difference between good enough and world-class is measured in microns and in the expertise you bring to the table. Ready to raise your game? Let's make your metal legendary.